Hello, this is math lesson 9-4 for Thursday, February 18th, 2021. If you need to pause the video at any point in time to answer any questions your student may have or that the video may have, you can do so at any time. Okay, let's get started.
You can use blocks to compare 24 and 42. Compare the tens first. 24 has 2 tens. 42 has 4 tens. 24 has fewer tens than 42. So 24 is less than 42. You can talk about 24 and 42 in a different way. 42 has more tens than 24. So 42 is greater than 24. Now look at 35 and 38. Compare the ones when the tens are the same. 35 has fewer ones than 38. So 35 is less than 38. Sometimes the numbers are equal. The tens are the same and the ones are the same. So 26 is equal to 26. I like using blocks to compare numbers.
Okay, so that's what we're doing today. You need to be in your math workbook volume 2, and you need to be on page 515. 515 in your math workbook volume 2. Okay, if you're on page 515, it should look like this. Let's read the directions to figure out what we have to do. It says write a 2-digit number inside the TV, write a different 2-digit number inside the radio, then write the numbers and circle the words to complete the sentence below. So down here, the first number I'm going to pick is 24. So I'll put that in the TV. Then I'll put 32 on the radio. Now I'll stick those down here, 24 and 32. Now think in your head, is 24 greater than 32 or 24 is less than 32? Well, if you look on your number grid or number line, I'll open it up in Google Classroom. Under Student Tools, there's the number grid. If I look at 24 first, it is right here, and 32 is down here. So I know as you go down, the numbers get bigger. So that means that 32 is definitely larger than 24. So 24 is greater than 32? Nope. 24 is less than 32 because 24 is smaller than 32. Remember, greater means bigger or larger, and less means smaller. Okay? If you're good on that page, please turn to the next page. All right, at the top of this page is showing you how they do less than or greater than using or equal to using symbols. That's where we're going to start today. All right, the directions say complete each sentence, write greater than, less than, or equal to, then write the greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. All right, so in the first one, they have 28, and the second box, they have 41. So they said that 28 is less than, so you have to write it in the blank, less than. Now, if you don't know how to spell it, it's actually in the directions. Okay, and then you have to put a symbol. Now, if they are exactly the same, then you use an equal sign. 28 and 41 are not the same. Now, the less than and greater than signs, You need to act like they are alligator mouths. And the alligator needs to eat the bigger number. So you want the mouth open towards the bigger number. So they put a less than sign with the mouth open trying to eat the 41. So the way you say this would be 28 is less than 41. Just like we wrote. Remember, the alligator has to eat the bigger number. So make sure the mouth is open towards the bigger number. All right, try number 2, and then we'll go through here in a minute. Okay, and number 2. They have 53 and then 35 in the next blank, or in the next box. Now we have to either put greater than, less than, or equal to. Now, is 53 the same as 35? No, it's not, so we don't need equal. Is 53 less than 35? Well, if we look at our number grid, here's 35, then 53 is down here. So 53 is definitely bigger. So 53 is greater than, I won't be able to fit than on the line, but it'll be close. Now, our symbol that we put in the circle, remember the alligator has to eat the bigger number. And we said that 53 is the bigger number. So draw it so the mouth is opened up towards the 53 because you want the alligator to eat the 53. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing today. Now look at the next page. I want you to do the top. I want you to do numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now numbers 3 and 4 and 5 are just like we did on the page before. 6, 7, and 8, you just have to put the symbol in, either the equal sign, the greater than sign, or the less than sign. Remember, the alligator eats the bigger number. If they are the same, then you use the equal sign. All right. When you are done with that page, you can do the bottom if you'd like. You're just sticking numbers in and the symbol greater than, less than, or equal to in the circles. So you could do whatever you want with that. When you're done with that, make sure you do the top, though. The bottom is optional. You can do some extra problems on page 518, page 519, and page 520, if you would like. Just you don't have to do them all. Just maybe choose a couple from each page or one from each page. It's up to you. Okay, when you're done with your workbook pages, please do your quick check on the Savas website. Please do not get behind on those. It is tough to catch up. And that's it for today. Thank you.